Hey, I'm Miranda and I'm one of the interior designers here at Urbacity. Today, I'm going to walk you through the setup for a design presentation happening this week for one of our latest projects. For this project, the clients asked us to design and build a carriage home for them that they plan on renting out in either a short-term or long-term situation. To enter the carriage house, you come up a set of stairs into a small entry that then heads into the kitchen. It opens up into a living room, which overlooks the deck and the water. There's also a large bedroom here with 2 closets and a full 4-piece bath. When you come in off of the beautiful deck, the first thing you're going to see is the fireplace. It's a beautiful 72-inch linear fireplace, and we're going to clad the wall in this awesome tile that is quite large. This is just a sample. And it's going to go from floor to ceiling. On the floors, we're going to do some luxury vinyl tile, keeping in mind that this is a rental space. It's a really good option. This flooring will continue right into the kitchen. In the kitchen, we're going to mix some cabinetry, both some white cabinets painted this lovely warm white color and some white oak, both materials just to break up the cabinetry a bit. I'm going to do a really durable granite leathered finish for the countertop, but also as a continuation up the backsplash. And then about a foot off of the counter and that backsplash in granite, we're going to start installing some of these really sweet little backsplash tiles. In the bathroom, to keep the cost down, we're going to keep the countertop the same as the kitchen, as well as the cabinetry. We're going to do a beautiful 24 by 24 stone tile on the floor, and we're going to carry it up the wall in both the shower and behind the freestanding tub. We're going to do a beautiful ledge made out of the countertop, and then we're going to start stacking these beautiful ceramic tiles. Another detail that I wanted to add was this lime wash paint in a really moody finish for the bedroom. I'm going to do it in this beautiful, like mushroomy gray, deep earth color. Even though this is a small space, I really wanted to include some details that are going to make it feel special. One of the biggest elements is these beautiful beams that are going to be in the living room on the ceiling. So that was just a quick glance at some of the features and selections of this project. Next week with the clients, I'm going to go into a lot more detail and depth. But in the meantime, if you have any questions or comments, just let us know, and I'll see you next time.